There are other instructional design models such as SAM, the Successive Approximation Model, Rapid Prototyping, Gradual Release. These models are appropriate for different types of organization, workflow, team, or content. Here, we are focusing on the ADDIE model, since it is the simplest and most foundational. In the analysis phase, we identify learning needs. This can be achieved through formal or informal discussion with colleagues, by listening for challenges or issues. Remember, if it's not a technical issue, it's a training issue. We can also monitor support tickets, trying to align with business strategy and vision. We must ask what are the barriers and pain points. We must understand our audience, who is using the PI system, what is their role and key responsibilities. We must also select a delivery method, synchronous online like a webinar, or asynchronous on demand, documents, videos hosted on a learning platform, or training workshops and peer desk-side coaching. In the design phase, an outline of instructional strategies is created, and learning activities and assessment are determined. The development phase focuses on producing the learning material required to meet the aims and learning outcomes. It is a detailed plan that lists step-by-step procedures, time schedules, and deadlines, and addresses the tools and resources used to create the material. In the implementation phase, the designed assets are deployed and utilized. The learning is prepared, and learning tools are activated. In other words, we run the training or enable the online module. Evaluation is an ongoing process throughout all phases of the ADDIE model to determine the quality and effectiveness of the instructional design with respect to trainee achievement. We can use the Kirkpatrick model, which looks at learner reaction, learning, behavior change, and business results. By measuring ROI of training, we are much more likely to receive top-level support, align training goals with business goals, and focus on employee performance.